Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add multiple photos to your Instagram story. Now, whether you wanted a organized and clear grid of photos, 2, 3, 4, or you just kind of wanted to paste them in different orientations, some bigger, some smaller, I'm going to show you both options to be able to do exactly that. Open up the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android. Tap on the plus at the top left. Next, tap on Story at the bottom center to get to your story. And the first option you have is to tap on the grid or the layout button on the left side. You can see I can tap on Change Grid, and I can choose to have 4 photos, 2, 3, and different orientations. Now, this will allow me to have an organized grid, but again, I'll show you another option if you just kind of want to place them and make them bigger, smaller, etc. Now, it'll first default to the first one on top. You can tap on the camera button to just take a quick photo, or you can tap on the photo gallery at the bottom left and tap on a photo, and it will upload it there. Then you can take your finger and pinch and zoom, but you're not able to rotate it and to have any other organization to it. Now, when you're ready to go, you can tap the check mark at the bottom center, tap on the share button at the bottom right, and then share this as your story with multiple photos. The second option is a bit more fun, and it's a bit cooler to be able to do that. I'll show you the trick to do that. So tap on the X at the top left. Let's tap on Discard and tap on the X next to Layout. Now, instead of those, we're going to tap on the photo gallery at the bottom left and just choose a random photo. Let me choose this one. It doesn't matter what you're going to choose here. This will not be in your end result as the story. Next, tap on the drop down arrow at the top right. Tap on Draw. Select which color you want the background of your story to be. In my case, I'm going to choose this blue color. And now you can see I can draw on here. However, I can fill the entire screen just by pressing and holding on the screen. And now I can tap Done at the top right. Next, tap the sticker icon at the top right. Tap on Photo here. And then tap on one photo. Now I can take my finger, I can move it around, I can tilt it. That looks pretty good. Tap on the sticker icon again. Tap on a photo again. And again, you can move it around. You can make it bigger or smaller. You can tilt it however you want. Add 2, 3, 4, 10 photos. It doesn't really matter. When you're ready, tap on the share button at the bottom right, and then share this as your story with multiple different photos in that one story. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really enjoy that one as well. Thanks, guys.